Sehlopha se feletšego sa baahlodi ba bararo ba Kgorotsheko-kgolo ya Gauteng se file mopresidente Ramaphosa tumelelo ya nakwana ya go thibela mopresidente wa peleng wa naga Jacob Zuma go tšwela pele ka tsheko ya poraebete.
Pending the final determination of Part B, the first respondent is interdicted from taking any further steps to give effect to the nolli prosequi certificates of 21 November 2022 and 6 June 2022, and the summons is issued by the registrar on the 15th and 21st of December 2022, or to pursue the private prosecution under case number 59772 of 2022 against the applicant in any way.
Kgorotsheko e dumelane le mopresidente Gare a ka senya ga seriti ge a ka gogelwa pele ga Kgorotsheko ka ditatofatso tše e sa reng selo tša bosenyi.
The critical harm concerns a fundamentally, constitutionally guaranteed right to personal freedom. That value, which is foundational to our constitutional order, may never be treated lightly.
Moleledi wa Jacob Zuma Foundation Mzwanele Manyi o re kahlolo ya lekgono e bontšha gabotse gore toka ke ya bahumi fela.
For the judge to just pretend that all the rights are sacrosanct and all of that is really also another contestable ground. So really, we really think that what this has been all about today has been justice for the elite, where the elite has said, I don't want to come to court, and the judiciary has agreed.
Kgorotsheko e laetše baemedi ba molao ba Ramaphosa le Zuma go tsenela kopano ya go šogana le tshepedišo ya karolo B ya kgopelo ya Ramaphosa.
Go sa le bjalo mekgatlo e mengwe ya dipolotiki e ntšhitše maikutlo ka sephetho sa Kgorotsheko-kgolo ka Gauteng kgopelong ya tšhoganyetšo e dirilwego ke mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa ya go thibela kgopelo ya mopresidente wa peleng Jacob Zuma ya go mo swariša ka mokgwa wa tsheko ya poraebete. Kgorotsheko e beetše thoko kgopelo yeo.
Former President Jacob Zuma must be stopped with his selfish and destructive court cases against President Ramaphosa. He is just a disgrace. The country is facing a lot of problems. The economy is down. We are faced with load shedding. Zuma is busy with senseless cases.
The judgment gives credence to the long-held view by many South Africans that our justice system is so inconsistent it can no longer be trusted. Our courts have eyes. There's no longer a distinction between a criminal court and a civil court. We are not equal before the law.
We were not expecting a different outcome in the first place because it has always been the norm that whenever President Cyril Ramaphosa goes to court, he's definitely going to succeed. Therefore, we're not surprised by this judgment. But more than that, the National Freedom Party is of the view that the fact that the two leaders of the ANC have taken each other to court, it demonstrates that African National Congress is the party that is in crisis. It's a party that is in loggerhead with itself, and therefore we're saying this is history in the making when two leaders of one organization takes each other to court. It's an indictment that the ANC is failing to get its house in order.
It is quite clear that former President Zuma's private prosecution of President Ramaphosa is politically motivated and has little to no sound legal basis. The infighting within the ruling party, which this is part of, causes instability in South Africa and is bad for the country.